Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the headphones so they behave reliably. Charge them to at least 50%. This prevents interruptions during setup. Next, locate the power and pairing controls. Many units use a long press to power on and a double press to enter pairing mode, so learn those gestures. Once done, fit the ear tips or adjust the headband because a stable physical fit improves microphone pickup and noise isolation. Make sure to test basic controls like volume and play/pause before moving on. You now pair and configure audio for best sound and latency. First, enable Bluetooth on your phone or computer and keep the headset within a few meters. Distance affects initial discovery. Then enter the headphones pairing mode and select the exact device name that appears on screen. If requested, confirm PIN 0000 or 1234. Once connected, set the headset as the default audio output and choose an appropriate codec like AAC or aptX if available, because that improves clarity and reduces lag for calls and media. You finish by verifying functionality and learning quick fixes. Play music and make a short call or voice memo to check both audio and mic levels. Adjust EQ or gain in the companion app if present. Once satisfied, update firmware and memorize basic controls for calls, volume, and ANC toggles. If something goes wrong, no audio, stuttering, or mic drop. Reset the headset, remove and repair the device, check battery level, and inspect for earwax or debris. These steps resolve most common faults.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.